Hello friends, I welcome all of you to joining me in this session. So this session is very important and most of the viewer asking me that I would release one video over the how to shift payment cash ledger balances from CGST and IGST, IGST to CGST, SGST and vice versa. Because government has recently released one form that is PMT9, which is give the facility to transfer the cash balances from one tax segment to other tax segment. So okay, without wasting any time, let's discuss this. So first of all, you must have a user ID and password. Log in onto the GST portal by going to the gstgov.in and then go to the dashboard. Okay, after the dashboard you will go to the service section. Here you will see the ledger. Go to electronic cash ledger. Here you will see file GST PMT09 transfer of amount. For that purpose you must have a balance in your accounts. Here you can see in CST account, CGST account I have 5,000 rupees, and for SGST I have 11,000 rupees. I just want to shift this amount 6972 into IGST. So this will give me the detail that how much balance is remaining in my ledgers. Then what action I have to do? I have to move these balances into my this section IGST. So what I will do, first of all, from where I have to move this. So first I will apply for CGST account where this amount was held. It is held in tax segment. Okay, here this is the amount where I have to move it IGST. Then I will type whole amount and save it. It will as okay, yes. Then next SGST tax, I want to move it 630. Very save, yes, and then proceed to file. And after that you have to click here and who is the authorized person in case of individual. So EBC would be generated. In case of a company or a firm, in case of companies you have to use the digital signature of the authorized signatory. After that it will be move into your this segment. So this is all about the PMT9. I hope it will helpful to you. We will meet next video for how to make the registration on trace to generate the TDS certificates and the registration as a deductor on income tax site. Thank you so much guys to joining me. I thank you so much. We will meet again. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.